भय क्या है ये? Is it worth watching? Yes. Hi, my name is Swati Priya and we talk about movies, series and anything I want to. ये कहानी है इंडिया के फर्स्ट पैरानॉर्मल इन्वेस्टिगेटर की, जिसने भूतों से बातें की हैं एंड ये एक रियल लाइफ स्टोरी है एंड उनकी एक मिस्टीरियस डेथ भी हो चुकी है. And that's why I'll tell you not to watch it alone at night, as it's based on real life incident. It's a real story about ghosts and an investigator who actually investigated so many real life incidents about it. मैंने कहा है अकेले रात में मत देखना, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि देखना ही नहीं. It is a must watch. अगर आप हॉरर में इंटरेस्टेड हो, नहीं इंटरेस्टेड हो, देखो, because it's one of Bollywood's finest horror series. ठीक है? And every episode will literally show you what a cliff-hanging horror is. Like कुछ अलग है, हर एपिसोड में कुछ अलग है. It's based on real life, कुछ अलग है. And there are talks कि जब वो इस चीज को शूट भी कर रहे थे, they could really feel some activities ongoing over there. Like all of a sudden वहाँ पर एक शूट होगा, ठीक है, it's about a reality show. Like वो reality show करते रहते हैं और उसमें 3 लड़कियों को एक भूत बंगले में भेजते हैं to do some tasks and everything. It's a reality show inside that series. And they tell while shooting that one girl could actually feel her camera going on and off, and she could really feel sounds around her. Just think about it. And they even told that there was a time all the cameras glitched at the same time and their phone batteries went dead, like dead, even though people claim that they charged it completely. So like इन्होंने थोड़ी सी क्रिएटिविटी अपनी दिखाई है at the end of the series. Like that's not the real thingy, because his death is still a mystery. Okay, so just go and watch it because oh my god, this series was crazy. And उतनी बड़ी भी नहीं है, अच्छे खासे 8 एपिसोड्स हैं guys, and कम समय की है, so you can watch it and you should watch it. And एक और इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताऊं, like what happened, like वो जिस जगह पे शूट कर रहे थे there was an ambulance वहाँ पर, and all of a sudden a tree fell on that ambulance and the tree had cut signs but there was no one around. So you can feel the chills, right? So what are you waiting for? Just go and watch it right now. It's available on Hotstar, so go watch it. If I'm right. Of course I'm right. We'll be back with another episode of series, movies, and anything I want to talk about. Bye bye.